On this episode of Feminine Life with Christ.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you.
Hey girl, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jaleisha. You guys have the wonderful pleasure of calling me JoJo. If you're into lifestyle content, beauty, what is my stuff? It's been a minute, y'all. Oh my god. If you're into like faith, lifestyle, fitness, beauty, all of the above, self-care, definitely self-care, right where you need to be at. You're gonna see a little bit of everything.
Always true. God is not a liar. It's never going to change. God's purpose for your life is never going to change. God did not bring you this far just to leave you where you are. The story is not finished.
Hey girlies, I just want to do a recap of this morning. I boiled some water for my coffee. I went ahead and got my lemon water together. I also went in and put baby boy clothes inside the washer, and it just got done drying his swaddles, and he's about to go back to bed. We literally was up at 6 a.m. once dad left. I'm not even gonna lie, normally I would be upset because I wanted to get up the same time as dad and be able to spend time with God, get myself together, but Romario was like, nah, we doing this together. We do everything together. So my son was like, nah, ma. And granted, we are starting today. He has to sleep in his own room. He still sleeps with us, and yeah. Anyways, that's a story for another day. I normally get upset. I either would have went back to sleep mad or just mad in general because I couldn't get time to myself before tending to the kids. But I remember praying. I prayed this morning. We got so much laundry that needs to be folded. I have to do the dishes. I have to finish meal prepping because we started yesterday. Never got a chance to finish meal prepping. So that's on the list as well. And then the boys have to take baths today. And then I think that's it for today. Okay, girl, I truly believe when you look good, you feel good. I'm a firm believer in that. We're just gonna get ourselves together. Really, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer under my eye. Please get off my foot. Thank you. And then I'm going to like lay flat my hair because I don't like this look. Go with this Juvia's concealer. This is in the color or the shade 15. Anyways, when I tell you just a dot, you know the vibes. Okay. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. My lashes are the Ardell lashes. These right here, when I do these, because Amazon are no longer selling my ultimate favorite lashes anymore. They stopped like last year. So I've been getting these. I've seen Janae wear them and absolutely love them. I get these. They like the pre-glue on, so even if you don't have glue, but I combine mine with my favorite glue, and they literally stay on for like 2 weeks minimum.
We need to trust God that if He wants us to know something, we'll know. And if not, it's not our job to figure it out. It's our job to trust Him. You know, the first thing we want to do when we're suffering is we want to run. We want to get away from it, some way, shape, or form. But you know what? You got to go through the hard part to get to the good part. Whatever God is trying to do in your life right now, don't run away from it. Trust God.
Okay, y'all, so now, like I told y'all, my plan for today, or the schedule for today, I need to do the dishes. I have to fold piles and piles of laundry, like so much clothes. So a goal for the laundry by itself is at least to do at least 2 of the 4, I think it is. And then I need to finish meal prepping, and then, like I said, the boys have to have a bath today. So outside of, oh, and I need to make this phone call. So actually what I'm about to do is make this phone call now. I need to get in my Bible. This is what I say, like, it's so important to have a set schedule, routine, and the best thing to do is like the day prior, at the end of the day or some point during the day, go ahead and get your schedule together for the following day. That way it's just like a smoother transition. I've been into 2 Timothy a lot. Like, I feel like it's so much that needs to be worked on with me, you know what I'm saying, that it's just a lot, and it's been calling me out. Alright, y'all, so I pinned my hair up. I was hoping this didn't look too crazy, but it does. Whatever. Baby boy is back laying down asleep, so I'm about to take this opportunity and go ahead and get these dishes knocked out. Tyler, of course, still up full of energy, but little do he know he have a little bit less than an hour, about 40 minutes left until he's going down for a nap. I haven't even ate breakfast. While in the midst of washing the dishes, I am going to warm up some oatmeal. And yeah, let's get into it, girl. Alright, y'all. I really don't even like having hair in the kitchen, so hold on. Okay, girl, dishes are done. I just did a rinse more so, and then just put them in the dishwasher. Amari have approximately 15 minutes. I need to make this phone call because, yeah, I need to make a phone call. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him down because it's gonna take him a minute, like, before he even wants to go to sleep. He may be screaming and stuff for a second, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that out the way. Papa, come on, time to take nap. Time to take nappy. Time to take nappy. What I told y'all. What I told y'all. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Told y'all this. Let's take nappy. Go lay down, please. Just in case you. Okay. Let's lay down. Y'all, I'm sitting here lately. I'm a snacker, okay? This is what I've been on lately. This chewy peanut butter chocolate chip bar, granola bar.